Introducing the Plate Joiner, slim and ergonomic. With its cast aluminum front body, it's designed for making strong plate joints with efficiency, accuracy, convenience, speed, and comfort. The PJ7000 has non-marring rubber inserts, engineered to prevent material from slipping. The powerful 5.6 amp motor delivers 11,000 RPM for quick, precise cutting. The rack-and-pinion vertical fence system is engineered for accurate adjustments with 3 positive stops at 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. It has 6 depth settings with 1 touch stops and common biscuit sizes. The double-insulated PJ7000 also has a toolless blade cover and shaft lock for easy blade changes. Quick changing bag means cleaner work. The Plate Joiner by Makita.